Moonshot 23 here. I'm going to show you a whole bunch of different nebulas that I've taken pictures of over the course of the past year, or most of these. Some of my favorites, some of them just cool ones that aren't shot very often. This first one we're going to look at here is called the Ringtail Nebula. You can kind of see it's two different pieces there, but very cool. This one is the Sunflower Galaxy. Has some cool colors in it, and it almost resembles a sunflower. This next one is called the Cat's Eye Nebula, or Galaxy, excuse me. Just looks like a cat's eye. It's very, very cool. This one here is M90, I think. But you can at least see some of the arms there. That's Messier 106. I have a better picture of that one, but I can't find it. This next one is Messier 42. I mean, mesmerizing. The blues and the reds in that are amazing. Here's another one of Messier 42, and it also has part of the Running Man up at the top of the picture. Absolutely awesome. One of my faves. That is the Running Man Nebula by itself, which is just north of M42 and M43. This next one here is M108, which is 85 million light years from Earth. It's the furthest one I've ever captured. This next one is the Owl Nebula. You can see why it's called the Owl Nebula. Very, very cool picture. This one is Messier 101, the Pinwheel Galaxy. The arms coming off of that are amazing. Here's a cropped up, closer version of it, so you can kind of see the different arms, and pretty awesome picture. That one's actually getting ready to leave the sky. This one is Messier 83, the Southern Pinwheel. This one is also, excuse me, getting ready to leave the sky. This is the Leo Triplet. One of the very, very cool shots you can take. That's the Horsehead Nebula. You can see the horsehead very clear there with the gases behind it. This one is Messier 57, I think, the Ring Nebula. Has some reds, some yellows, and some blues in it. That is Messier 31, the Andromeda Galaxy, with Messier 110 and Messier 35, I think, up at the 2 o'clock position. Same picture, or same galaxy, just a little different picture. This next one is NGC 253, the Sculptor Galaxy. One of my favorite captures that I've taken recently. One of my favorites. I'll show you a couple different ones of this just because I thoroughly enjoy this picture very much. And I'll turn it on its side to give you a different perspective of it. Lots of detail in that. Definitely one of my favorites I've taken. This next one is the Eagle, or the Omega Nebula. Has the Pillars of Creation in it, which are dead center of the nebula. This next one is the Bubble Nebula, which if you look in between the 3 stars in a triangle, you can see a clear bubble there, hence the name. This is the Veil Nebula. This one is amazing. Also one of my favorite pictures I've captured. You can see some of the blues in that. The definition is just killer. The Veil Nebula is huge. I can only get certain sections of it. The next one coming up here, I think, is, yeah, this is the Triangulum Galaxy. Another great one with lots of arms off of it. I'll show you the further away picture of it there. I love the picture. This next one is the Cocoon Nebula. That thing is amazing. I don't know what's better, the nebula or all the stars. This one here is the Sagittarius star cloud. M24 is the star cluster just above center, below the 1 o'clock position. That is Messier 27, the Dumbbell Nebula. Blues and reds. We got the east and the west side of the nebula in that, and in this one of my favorites. This next one is the Swan Nebula. There's a few different names for this one, but you can kind of see the reds all over in that picture. And then I just wanted to put a picture of Saturn up I took, and then I'll also show you a picture of Jupiter that I took right there. So hope you guys enjoyed. Just some cool pictures that I've taken, and let me know what you guys think. And hopefully monsoon season will be over soon, and I can get back out and capture some new data. All of this stuff I put up is old data. So talk to you soon.